Celery is a powerful vasodilator, and it also works similar to Viagra. Hey friends, today we're making sprouted mung bean salad, super filling, high in plant protein, magnesium, fiber, antioxidants. A true gift for your liver, your gut, your pancreas. If you don't know what sprouted beans are and how to sprout mung beans, watch this video right here. My name is Oksana. I'm a natural wellness coach. Welcome to my channel where I teach people how to eat their way out of any disease. Watch this video to the end, try the recipe, like the video so other people can discover me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch my next video. The ingredients are simple and a perfect choice for lunch. They will not make you sleepy, unlike other heavy lunches. As you start making the salad, the first thing you want to do is to activate your pumpkin seeds. Any kind of seed, if you soak them in water for at least 5 minutes, activates them, wakes up the power, so makes the power stronger. So do that. Next we have mung beans, tomato, avocado, good fat for your liver, cucumber, celery, fresh dill, my favorite. And these are condiments. Celery is a powerful vasodilator, meaning it has the ability to lower blood pressure. It works very much like a lot of hypertension drugs. And it also works similar to Viagra. You see, our gut is populated by trillions of live microorganisms that sustain its operations. This ecosystem is collectively known as microbiome. The more good bacteria and different kinds of bacteria you have, the better you look and feel. Avocado is a good fat and a true gift for your liver. It has the ability to reduce inflammation of the liver cells caused by toxic foods, viral infections, fatty liver, and even cirrhosis. Your gut needs these 4 things: natural digestive enzymes, fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics. This salad offers all of the above. By the way, probiotics means pro, supporting life, bio means life. So it is something that supports livelihood of your microbiome. This is why you want to make your salad as colorful as possible. And sprouts are the most live food on the planet. So we got all the ingredients in a bowl. Now let's add some spices to it. And I have my favorite spice blend. If you don't know how to make it, check out this video right here. Just literally sprinkle on top, just a little bit like this. It should be good. Next, I like to add my nutty parm. If you don't know how to make it, check this video right here. Same thing here, just sprinkle as little or as much as you want. This is a mixture of nuts and nutritional yeast. Salt and pepper to taste. And oh my gosh, I forgot the most important ingredients, lemon. You can do a fresh lemon or a lemon bite, which I show how to make in this video right here. So let's do a lemon bite for a change. It's going to melt really quickly. And pepper. It's important to add pepper if you use my favorite spice because it has turmeric. So we want to activate it. And I don't know, does it work? Yes, it does. And finally, oil. What oil do you want to use for your salad? So my recommendation is either extra virgin olive oil or flaxseed oil, unfiltered flaxseed oil, because this adds more omega-3s, more lignans, more fiber to your salad. So it supercharges your salad. And this is a good way to have your daily dose. You want to let it sit for, I'd say like 30 minutes to kind of marinate and for that lemon to melt and for the oil and spices to work together. Oh my gosh, it smells so green and so delicious. It is enough for, I think, like 2 people. And if you want to add a healthy side of a sweet potato, you can, but I don't think you should, or I don't think you will be able to eat all of it and a side. So it's totally up to you. Feel free to substitute mung bean sprouts for your favorite kind of sprouts. Maybe it's buckwheat or broccoli or something else.